सो गुड नून गाइस, वेलकम। स्वागत है आपका मेरे इंटरव्यू सेशन के अंदर। और आज जो शख्सियत मेरे पास में है, हर नेम इज़ नंदनी, मिस नंदनी, एंड स्टूडेंट ऑफ माइन। कहानी कुछ ऐसी है, मेरे पास में आई थी आज से 1-1.5 महीने पहले की बात है, लाइक कपल ऑफ मंथ्स बैक शी केम टू मी। और अपने फादर के साथ में मेरे पास में आई थी और इनको कुछ इंटरव्यू इन्होंने फेस किया था। आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक रिवील द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कूल, बट इट्स अ बिग शॉट स्कूल। कोई बहुत बड़ा स्कूल है जयपुर का, माना माना। तो उन्होंने इनको रिजेक्शन दे दिया था कि वी वोंट बी एबल टू सेलेक्ट यू जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। तो ये मेरे पास में आई थी इंग्लिश को लेके ही। हमारा तो काम ही है इंग्लिश में अंग्रेज़ बनाना, ठीक है। सो बाकी की सारी बातें, और आज वही बच्ची है एंड शी इज़ सुपर फ्लुएंट, राइट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Nandini, over to you. So say hi to our viewers, Nandini.
Hi guys.
So Nandini, introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello everyone. I would like to share my introduction. I am Nandisha. I hail from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my 8th class from Jaipur school. Currently I am in 9th. My father, Mr. Pankaj Shah, he is a business person. My mother, Mrs. Vinita Shah, she is a homemaker. I have a brother. If I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of dancing. I have a dream to witness myself as an IPS officer. As far as I am concerned, that's all about me. Thanks for listening to me so carefully.
Nandini, you want to be an IPS officer?
Yes.
Why?
So because from childhood I have a dream to witness myself as a IPS officer, because I want to serve our country, and I want to don't.
Spectacular.
Yes.
So Nandini, like same question I would love to ask. Ki, what's your journey? Tell your journey to British School of English. How did you get to know about my institute, our institute? Then I would love to share your words.
My father used to see his status every day, and my father asked me that if you want to join, and he told me that if you join, you will get fluent in English. I said okay, we will try. Let's see what happened. So we came here, and we saw that younger kids were speaking fluent. We were flabbergasted to see that younger kids were speaking fluent English, and we then I decided that I have to join this institute. So that's why I have joined, and that's all our journey that I joined.
So, what sort of status your father used to see?
So your interviews and your you make videos for of kids na, that they do GDs, and they
Right.
saw
Your father is in our same group, WhatsApp group, na?
yes,
Right.
sir.
So, Nandini, you just said that you are fond of dancing and volleyball.
No, sir, basketball.
Basketball. Okay, why you are fond of playing basketball?
So I am like a athlete, and I I have a dream to like be a sport person.
Okay, apart
Also,
from IPS,
also,
right?
yes.
So, जानना चाहते हैं हमारे लोग, they actually want to know कि why you came here, what made you come over here, and what was the dedication? You took an oath, आपने कुछ oath लिया था, right?
Yes, sir.
और आप एक समय बहुत निराश हो गए थे, right?
Yes, sir,
Just
yes.
because of language. So tell our viewers क्या हुआ था ऐसा?
One day I got a call from the school, and they said that we have to take her interview. Then we took interview, and they were asking me question, I got nervous, and I was not able to express myself, and that make me rejected from the school. And after then we got a call from there, and they said that your daughter got rejected from the school, and we are sorry that she won't be able to give the interview again. So that's why that make me so sad, and I
How you
was
felt
like,
that time?
I was feeling very awful, and I
You were
was
literally
about
depressed.
to
Right. You were
cry
about to
that time. So that's why.
Okay, so then you came over here, right?
Yes.
Now how you feeling?
So I am feeling super duper confident, and and when I come here na, my confidence level was very pathetic, and I was not able to speak in front of anyone. Now I can speak in front of everyone who you want
what's
to.
your oath that you, what's your determination
So that I took an oath that
you took an
I took an oath. I did it commitment that if after getting perfect in English, I will give the
same
give
interview again in that
give the same interview in the particular school, and teach them a lesson that never judge a person by their language. So that I want to give them a message.
सो गाइस लाइक कहने का मतलब ये है, ये अ बुक कांट बी जज बाय इट्स कवर, राइट. आप किसी को लैंग्वेज के जस्ट बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट गुड एट इंग्लिश या ही इज़ नॉट गुड एट इंग्लिश आप ये जज नहीं कर सकते कि वो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है. इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज, नॉट अ नॉलेज, बट इन करंट सिनेरियो इट इज़ डोमिनेटिंग नॉलेज, राइट. एक बिटर ट्रुथ है, हार्श रियलिटी है. इंग्लिश को इंग्लिश की तरह लेना चाहिए, ठीक है. लैंग्वेज है, कोई बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. आप लैक कर रहे हैं, आप भी कहीं डिप्रेस्ड हैं इंग्लिश की वजह से, कहीं आपको रिजेक्शन मिला है किसी भी तरह पे, चाहे वो लाइफ में हो, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल हो, चाहे वो प्रैक्टिकल हो, कैसा भी रिजेक्शन है, कम टू मी. हम आपसे वादा करते हैं, हम आपका ये फियर, हम आपकी आत्मा से इंग्लिश बुलवा देंगे. दैट्स आवर कमिटमेंट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सुपर्ब नंदिनी.